I need food, I need food. I haven't eaten in years. I haven't eaten in years. Help, help. There's a restaurant. There's a restaurant. Oh my God. Finally, I get to eat. Okay, let's just get everything.
I got this.
All the chicken first. And by that I mean I need to pay for that in a minute. Okay, well, I guess we'll just eat the stuff. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Wait, listen. Oh, that's good. I can also close these. But I don't think there's really a point in that. It's kind of claustrophobic, but whatever you say, I need to eat all of this. It looks so good. Well, it doesn't look good, but it tastes good, and it sounds good too. So that's really all that matters. I got $100. Nice. I need to eat all of this. I'm probably gonna get really, really fat. And I can also dip it in sauce. Oh, that makes it taste good. But it sounds the same, which is kind of weird. Why does that ranch not work? This is good. Okay, that's all of that finished. That I rate that like maybe a 9 out of 10. I'm not gonna rate all of these. And now we have snowy chicken. I don't know how I feel about it. You can also dip it in ranch. I realize they all sound the same. Listen. That's kind of annoying. Actually, super annoying. What? Well, I guess we didn't really eat all of this, but I am super hungry, so might as well, you know? Chicken. So good. Oh, and by the way, I wasn't able to make my new background yet, but that'll be soon. I'm just gonna eat this. Just eat these. Or we could just clear them off the table. Oh, yeah, I'd probably clear them off the table because there's really no point. Now let's get some ramen. It seems good. I know a lot of people say it's good. You know, let's get some lemon soda, even though it's supposed to be called lemon soda. Maybe that doesn't know what kind of. Ooh, we also got snacks, which is like the corn dog biscuit, a blue pasta. Okay, sushi. Let's get trout maki. I don't know what that is, but I don't know why it's maki like that. That's interesting. Okay, is there anything else? Oh yeah, dessert. We should get chocolate balls. That sounds good. It also sounds like it would sound good. Okay, let's get the trout maki first. Listen to that, it's amazing. This might actually be eat all of it. You might as well. Okay, let's do a lemon soda. That whole thing, it sounded good. Also, let's just open these curtains. It's kind of annoying. It's kind of getting claustrophobic. Yeah, it's got the blue talkie dog. Oh, that sounds good. Yep. out of 10. Okay. No. You never know. Okay, now we have the choco balls. I'm excited for this. Make sure you put the milk in. Make sure you put the milk in. I didn't even think about that in my intro. Whatever. Amazing. And they're also soft, but I don't think it's that because I don't have food anymore. I kind of ate all of it. What am I supposed to do now? Any secrets in here? Annie? I don't think. That's just sad. What the? We call it private booth. I thought that was robe. Yep, no thanks. What? No, I don't want to sit. No, I don't want to sit. Jeez. Okay, what the heck is that? Exchange slurping ramen for cash. Something I've always wanted to do. Slurp ramen for cash. I had a dream about that one. I'm kidding. That would be insane. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of cash. Actually, it's not that much. 20 minutes? You think I'm crazy? Let's get to this aquarium. This is cool. Party room. Of course it's Robux and I'm broke. I am broke. And my mom is kind of homeless. And I live with my dad. I think you know where I'm going with this. Is there new food here? Of course there's not. We should at least have like fish here because it's an aquarium. Actually, no, that would just be violent. For obvious reasons, there's fish here. And then you kill a fish right in front of the fish. So they're kind of not yet. It's not good to do that. That's a life lesson. Don't kill fish in front of a fish. Oh, wait, we can buy this. Yay! So it's cool. And let me guess, the same foods, the same old food that I don't even care about. Yep, that's what I thought. You didn't have to cut me off. I just want new food, but once you eat all the food, what do you do? I genuinely, what do you do now? What do I do? Can I eat this standing here? That would be insane. Why do I keep doing it? Why do I keep ending words like this? I don't know. But it's not like that. It's weird. So there's really no I'm still starving. I haven't, like I said, I haven't been in like years. Well, oh, you can move your seat? That's cool. Move your camera too. that a gas station? What the? Let me see now. Are you serious right now? What's this place? Is this a hotel?
Hello, please follow the signs to claim your own room. Have a comfy stay.
Oh, there's also a level 2. There's no level 3. I think that would make
Hello,
it more of an
please follow the
apartment
signs to
because
claim
a
your own
motel,
room.
the doors are
Have a
outside.
comfy stay.
And this, a hotel is like really big. And there's all the extremely overpriced room passes. Let me guess, same food's over here. Oh wow, the same food. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna order a bunch of chicken? Yeah, I'm just gonna order everything actually. That's what I'm doing. I'm ordering everything. And you can't stop me. You can't stop me. I'm so sorry. You tried to stop me, but it didn't. You couldn't do it. Oh. Why I say oh? That was not a good time to say oh. Okay. Let's just. I think I might throw up. I think I ordered what? It didn't give me as much as it said it would. That's just sad. That's just sad. Just get like really zoomed in, but I genuinely don't know the purpose of that. I mean, I guess I'm gonna AFK and get some money for the hotel room, so I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. And I have enough money.
Comes the money. Here we go. Money talk.
So, we go over here and get our hotel room.
Hello, please follow the signs to claim your own
That's
room.
what I'm doing. Oh,
Have a comfy stay.
This is nice. What the heck are these places? Do your bit, save food. And then my screen's blurry, so I don't know what's happening there. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Oh, there's Mukbang Corner. W Mukbang Corner. Even though they have the same food everywhere. Fine. Oh, there's burgers. Ah, see this. That's actually embarrassing. $2,208. $2,228. Who do you think you are? That's control myself. I can't control myself. I ate too much food. I can't control myself now. How? I'm surprised I didn't get any fatter. It looks exactly the same. Well, I'll just put that in there. Because there's really no point. Oh, my chair is floating. Hello, everybody. Today we are going to have a floating chair for 24 hours. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video, and now I'm just gonna sit here like an absolute idiot because I don't know what I'm doing right now. And yeah, bye. Wait, why is the video not ending? Why is the video not ending? I'm forced to. What is happening? Ah!